Now, this is Sne's face after Mangwabe confronted her ngayo yonke into that she has been saying about her. And I know that you guys are probably wondering who's kanjani lana. Well, worry not, ladies and gentlemen. I'll tell you in just a second, but first, I need to request you to like this video. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Let's go to it. Yazi mina the way ngibuka ngakhona lento ngibona ukuthi uSne is an unappreciative human being, which is the same reason why ngizwani nabantu bakubo. Even her daughter no longer takes her seriously. I mean, you can't come here and tell me ukuthi bonke labo mama kamsele who hate uSne for no reason. I mean, I don't even think what they hate her. I remember uMakhumalo saying that uSne can say hurtful things when you're trying to advise her or talk to her about anything. Even izingane zakho ubukazi remember ukuthi uSne uLwandle uMpumelelo uMpilo uzoba ubawo abongwe yeso abongwe, they had a very deep fight with the previous seasons of izingane zesithemu. Bebanga nje ukuthi uSne uthi they are pretending and that they gang up against her. And just a few seasons back, she was crying ethi umsele uyamzonda and that wonke ama siblings wakhe uyena yedwa ozondwayo, playing the victim card there. Yokuthi yena kanamaso uyahlukunyezwa ngoba engekho uma wakhe uzomkhulumela, forgetting ukuthi uSne uyena wamitha. Lento bekade show Mangwabe wamitha not once but twice. Ehleze emzini ngamseleyo. I mean, no father would allow that, no matter how much they love you. I mean, nami nje ngiyimina ke ukuthi anginayo ingane entombazana, but if I had one, bengayivuna kube nengane eyi1. That is understandable. But as he too, that is disrespect. Angeke ngiyivumele into leyo. You know, I love how Mangwabe put her on her place on the recent episode of Uthando Nesithembu for the fact that she was no longer able to sit on that meeting and repeat what she said about uMakhumalo noMangwabe. Clearly means ukuthi everything that she said was not true. Azothi they didn't give her food. Kodwa uMangwabe uma besembuza about the grocery that she bought for her, uzothi yena ama plastic ambalwa akathi nama 5 kg. I mean, is that not food, guys? Is that wait? Kanti akumela ngabe appreciate ukuthi okay fine wanginikeza uMangwabe lo kudla lo wangithengela lo grocery leyo encane, so because ubukade kwama 5 kg nama plastics ambalwa, so that is not food. Le ntombazana yakwazi uappreciate. Never. uSne really messed up here. So ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. You know, all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.